Tung sound. Chimpanzini bananini. Berat patatin. Lionel cactus ali. Lionel tralala. Bombardier crocodile. Ballerina cappuccina. Mate. Have you seen it? Have you seen the video? Yeah? That I watched in YouTube. But never mind that. Have you seen the color Brave? Oh yeah, I watched that. The ad for the game. I download the Brainrot soundboard and that's try that. Asesino! Garam. Bro, yung nakapay naman yun. Ito thriller. You remember that bro, patapin pick frog named Sting? Yeah. Oh yeah. Trip. Lirira, tung sa horn. Lirira, tung sa horn. Boneka, ang balok. The family. Bell. I watched the Taco Bell, Ohio, and I saw the man that's pooping harder in the bathroom. Yeah, that's okay. Imagine that the comments section is already in here. That's say, oh yeah, do you remember the chicken jockey?
Rick my hair. Rick my hair.
What is your name? 10. Flint and steel, chicken jockey. I am Mickey Mouse.
Imagine the movie was like, I
am Mickey Mouse. I am ready. Oh shit. I am Johnny.
I am Skibidi Toilet.
I am Vivo versus Realme.
I'm straight.
Pastor Alert.
Brut patatin.
Don't you dare. Can you do the signal? Sigma boo. Sigma.
What's Ligma?
What? Can you guess the brain rot? Bat. What do you call the brain rot with a bat?
Huh?
What do you call a brain rot with a bat? Who's that? The bat holding a bat. The pot.
The pot?
Yeah.
What?
Sakura.
Ah, I forgot about that thing.
What about the tree with
Brut patapin.
the shark with shoes?
Sa.
The airplane with bomb.
Bumalik ako dito.
The cappuccino.
Cappuccino ballerina. Cappuccino assassino.
The ballerino.
Ballerina cappuccino.
The milkshake with ballerina. Ballerino, no. Ballerino, no. It's misterioso.
A fish.
With that,
Tripicot. Tripat.
Polimero Toricino.
Lionel Cacticelli.
Chimpanzee bananini. Wow. I know the chimpanzee bananini full meal. Chimpanzee bananini. Wow. Bananucci. Monkey uchi. Or chimpanzee kokosini. Wow. Pupu badapi. Kokonichi. Monkey uchi. Or chimpanzee ananasini. Wow. Dabia. Ananochi, monkey uchi. Monkey chimpanzee cactusini. Wow. Cactunucci, monkey uchi. I saw the kid that we seeing us. I remember that I stomped louder and the officers.
What about brut patapin?
What about the honey and the sugar? I mean the salt.
I don't remember the names, but I know them. They're like the salt and the honey with
Bararaman with no hands, right?
What was the orange guy's name?
The orange with strong muscles. Oh, ding.
Ah, yeah, mading.
Pero ho, meron pa sosok halos yang pares sa niya.
What about the pigeon?
Batanin.
The pigeon.
What?
The pigeon that has the cloak. The cloak is like spy with the glasses.
With glasses? Riding a taxi?
No, sunglasses. A pigeon with sunglasses that stands like a pigeon.
Spiro Golubi. Rida. Elefante. Bob, Barbie.
It's been 8 minutes.
Oopsie. 8:32. I remember that I draw. Thank you.
Mr. List hitting 69 million subscribers.
I saw a glowing white there under the door.
Imagine getting stuck.
What about the pineapple and then
Banana? I mean the orangutan?
yeah,
I don't know the name.
orangutini ananasini.
Or chimpanzee assassin.
Do you remember that you
Chimpanzee cactus hilly.
he wear the coat that he wear next year?
Lila. leaking. It's leaking juice. Chimpanzee assassin. I have a pimple here. Is it a pimple?
Hmm?
It's a pimple, right?
Yeah.
I'm getting old. You better call me Unc. The biggest question we get is Zane gay?
What
I'll
about
answer.
you? You put my phone here. You're strong, man. You're the best. Oh. Don't you dare fucking off. Do you remember this meme? Peppa Pig. Trip in a fire, fighter, fire, bacon strips.
Hey, yo, bro, racist.
It's a chip. It's not normal.
Imagine getting Karen stocks.
The cheese. The cheese. Selene Gato. Selene Gato.
Sila din delikado.
Selena Delicado Lopez.
Delicado?
18 años. Do you remember? Canal 5. Del servicio de la comunidad. Eso por ahí. Selena Delicado Lopez. Selena Delicado Lopez de 18 años.
Hello. This man is gay. Is it true?
No. I'm not gay.
Wipe your face. Ayan mo.
You look like you're slapping me.
No. This
Oh,
one.
it's already off. No. It's been 9 minutes or 12 minutes more. No, it's not done. Selena Delgado Lopez es 8 años.
Digo 8 Santos? Ay, años? Bro. No taper fade. How does my side smell? How does the hair on my side look?
That's okay.
Actually, let's ask for my view. Maybe I just hate myself. Bye guys, that's it.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.